Hey there! Are you getting ready to study a course in the Southern Cross model? When I first started, I was really excited and nervous. I didn't know what to expect. But you don't need to worry. Students studying in the Southern Cross model are already getting higher grades and enjoying their studies more. Here are 5 tips to get you started.
Each week you'll work your way through one online module per unit. These are interactive and include hands-on activities. Plus you get instant feedback to help check you are on track. You'll also attend 3 hours of scheduled live classes each week, usually divided into a 1-hour online workshop and a 2-hour tutorial. The tutorial will be either on campus or online, depending on your mode of study. In every class, you'll have an opportunity to ask questions, work with other students, and apply your knowledge and skills to real-world problems. In most units, you'll only have 2 or 3 assessments that build on what you've been learning. And remember, because you only study 1 or 2 units at a time, you only have to focus on 1 or 2 assignments at a time.
It's really important to get organized at the start of your 6 weeks term. Get straight into it. Trust me, there's no time to mess around. I downloaded this weekly planner from the Learning Zone. I'm studying full-time, so I've put in my class time for both units and my work hours, and all the other things I do each week. This works for me, but everyone is different, so find what works best for you. After I've mapped out my schedule, I start preparing. The first thing I always do is log into my units and go straight to the orientation module and the unit overview to read the unit expectations, learning outcomes, and assessments. I add the due date for my assessment to the planner, so I know when to start.
The best thing about learning this way is that we don't just read or listen. The activities relate to skills and knowledge needed in your future profession. There's also a lot of collaborations with other students and solving real-world problems or questions. They call it active learning, and it's the same if you study online or on campus.
Sometimes you might need extra support, and that's okay. Maybe you've never written an essay before, or need help with referencing, or maybe there are things happening in your personal life that are affecting your studies. Whatever support you need, we've got you covered, regardless of whether you're studying online or on campus. The university website has links to support services you might find useful.
To get the most out of your studies in the Southern Cross model, participate in all the classes and activities. Ask lots of questions. In fact, your tutors want you to ask. That's what studying at university is all about, questioning and examining the world around us. The best way to get to know your classmates is to join in all the class activities. Don't be afraid to ask questions or to share your ideas. Student associations and clubs are also a great way to meet people. You don't have to be on campus. There are plenty of study groups that connect with each other online.
So, if you plan your time well and follow these tips, you'll get the very best out of your studies with plenty of time to do the things you enjoy. And remember, at the end of every term you get to have a 2-week break to relax and re-energise.